This is DMG and welcome to DMG's Lab, the very first episode where we do all kinds of crazy experiments and success or fail, you'll see what happens. So let's get on with it. Okay, so a water experiment. So this is for making waters for terrain and things like that, something that will be solid. So we're going to get 200 milliliters of water and 200 milliliters of glycerin. All right, that conveniently this little bottle is 200 milliliters. And 50 grams of gelatin. It's preferable to have clear and unflavored gelatin. So don't get like raspberry and all that kind of stuff. It must be clear and unflavored. You can also get gelatin powder, which is basically comes in larger quantities. It's just I use the sachets because it's easier to measure them out. So that pour the 200 milliliters of water into a pan, saucepan, and get a lollipop stick to stir, and then start adding the gelatin. So each one of these sachets is 10 grams. So that's 10, this is 20. So you'll see, always check the box that you buy as to how much there is in grams. You can just divide by the number of sachets to give you an idea of how much each sachet has in it. So continue to add. So that's 3, this is 4, and one more. So that's 5, so 50 grams of gelatin. And then we just start stirring with the popsicle stick. Now it will look quite muddy, this solution, and it will be a sort of yellowy tan, maybe a slightly orangey color. That's the gelatin itself. That's going to be the color of the stuff. Now if you wanted to, you could add in some colorants at this point to colorize it a little bit more, maybe a hint of blue watercolor or maybe some dye, and that would color it up for you. Just in later stages, obviously, when we're doing things, just think about reactions. So you need to just keep stirring this and keep stirring this and keep stirring this for several minutes. So this could take up to 10-15 minutes to do. It depends on how the reaction is going, relative humidity.